Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me for Singapore FinTech Festival coverage is Arthur Tricoire, Managing Director of APAC at QuantHouse, to discuss gaining access to multiple trading venues. Arthur, it's great to meet you virtually. Welcome to Trade Talks.
It's great to be here again a year later.
With QuantHouse's acquisition of Iris in 2019, what are the synergies between the two businesses and how QuantHouse fits in?
Great. Well, I guess it's good to take a step back and look at IRS background as a firm. So providing software and managed services, trading and market data for financial services as well as trading firms, and servicing across 500,000 users, over 9,000 clients. So it's indeed a kind of a broad reach, where QuantHouse is a specialist API market data solutions provider. We roll out analytics and automated research application coupled with managed services to service institutions. So when we got together, there was really two main themes, right? First is great synergies in the sense that IRS is providing software solutions combined with the market data content. And we've been able to basically enhance coupling QuantHouse global coverage with IRS software solutions and consolidate our market access and licensing agreements, which of course makes sense from a profit-based point of view as well. Of course, revenue growth comes to mind in terms of opening new client segments, because QuantHouse was mostly focused on institutional trading, whereas IRS is also covering investors at large and basically very active in the retail segments, online trading, and financial advisories. That means that our market data is now distributed across a wider panel of investors.
And QuantHouse provides framework within which capital markets participants can gain access to multiple trading venues. Tell us more about QuantHouse's technology strategy in making that happen.
Well, yes, in the context of 2020, it's definitely been a scale game and an agility game. Right? We've all seen what happens, and with the shifting demand as the market volatility increased in the first quarter of the year. Investors needed market data quickly in various platforms. So basically, to stay ahead, what we needed to do is to achieve a multi-platform delivery, flexible connectivity options for clients to get access to our market data so sometimes real time and low latency, which was our core, but now as well real time, delayed, end of day. And all of this was achieved, of course, with another strong theme this year, which was cloud-based delivery. So for some clients, real time is not the only way of sourcing data, but it's also on queries with a strong evolution of front-end applications, which become either open source or proprietary. And basically, sorting out all these endpoints for our clients has been what kept us ahead.
What type of tools and data sets are most important for clients, and what are they looking for in terms of data?
Alors, first and foremost, service availability, right? We take it for granted, but definitely in again the environment of 2020, we've seen surging volumes of data spikes on the trading infrastructure, really stressing our delivery platforms. And we were very proud that we've been able to keep up with that pace. And definitely for us, this is a first and foremost focus. And in the meantime, the idea on the API system side was to achieve the modular level of services delivery, again, because our institutional trading firms are looking for low latency and real-time delivery, but then in the meantime, our retail user base needs scaling coverage and lean connectivity options again, and this is where cloud has been giving us an edge in 2020. Finally, I'd say that tick data is been a very strong theme in 2020. So basically historical tick data to be used for trading firms to research new trading strategies, because of course, whilst the volatile quarters in the beginning of the year, there's also been a lot of data capture that clients will be able to use to recalibrate their strategies, and we are delivering this. And in the meantime as well, obviously, the ability to explore new strategies. In the meantime, this tick data capture is also used for compliance and post-trade reporting. As you're probably familiar with as well, at Nasdaq, there is the Smart Compliance System, which provide very interesting solutions in that space. And we are glad to be able to provide our content to such systems.
Arthur, tell us more about your collaboration with Nasdaq. How does Nasdaq support the growth of QuantHouse, and how do you see your clients using Nasdaq Basic?
Sure. So on one side, yes, indeed, here Nasdaq Basic in Asia has been strongly growing and gaining momentum, particularly with IRS integration, meaning that we are now connecting Nasdaq Basic into all our IRS product suite, but also as a standalone feed for solution providers or online trading brokers who would like to provide a consolidated view of US markets. And very interestingly, this year, of course, we've seen strong demand as Asian clients have always traditionally been very strong in retail, but given the market activity, US has been in a very strong focus over 2020, and this will carry on. And interestingly, really collaborating with the team on the ground at Nasdaq, we've been involved in setting up new channels combined with co-marketing initiatives, which really put forward even this institution on a global scale and help us to further provide exposure to Nasdaq Basic to clients here on the ground in Asia. Interestingly as well, we look forward to see if Nasdaq Total View will get the same momentum. It's certainly very strong as an offering for our institutional clients, but we are very interesting to see now the whole group making a push to provide level 2 US data to US investors, and we'll have to see how the take on is in 2021 now coming soon. We've also opened a connection to Nasdaq Fixed Income, so that's a bit more US centric, but I'm sure Asia clients will also be interested to tap in the fixed income coverage of Nasdaq products, and we're happy to roll this out.
How do you see the competition and the challenges? What is QuantHouse doing to stay ahead of the game in terms of technology development?
Well, I think it's not rocket science here, but it's mostly first listen to our clients, and particularly again in a very particular year that was 2020. So really cut down the noise and understand what is essential, what are the problems that our clients expect us to solve, and focus on those, and do well what we do well in terms of technology rollout. And then once we've done that, and ensure that solution robustness, then it's to look at what our clients are seeing ahead and how we can help them moving forward as the business requirements evolve.
What is the key focus for QuantHouse in 2021, and where does QuantHouse see the growth over the next couple of years?
Okay, so I think for us, one of the big projects as well that was worked on in the back end was, again, our historical tick data platform that is accessed on demand. So we have fully completed the back end of this platform, and it was tremendous work. And now we are delivering data at scale in different capacity, shape, or form. And of course, one of them will be in cloud-based delivery and through APIs. And we want to expand and enrich the features around this platform, and this will be very important to us. We also seeing strong demand on value-added analytics. So basically, once you have provided content to clients, it's a good step. But we believe that we can help as well in the calculation layers, and then provide value-added fields and tags which can be used by our clients to feed their trading systems directly. And finally, I would mention a quick word on asset classes coverage. Obviously, we are still seeing automation in the OTC space, fixed income space. So again, this is why, for example, Nasdaq Fixed Income feed is a nice addition to our coverage. But we believe that there's still much to do in OTC and FX, and we will be looking at this very closely.
And to wrap up, why is QuantHouse the investor's choice of partner?
Well, indeed, here we have to keep things simple. So I would say that our clients, being trading firms or now investors as well at large, we have to help them generate alpha. We have to help them perform better and gain competitive edge.
All right, Arthur, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.